have to make origami. So I have my instruction book so I know how I'm gonna do it. Next thing is my stickers. Well, the ones I'm gonna stick. Well, they're not reusable after you stick them, or if you're careful to take them off, then that's good and it's reusable. But for me, I'm not gonna reuse them, so I can make more stickers because I think I know how to make some. I don't know, but I'm just gonna try. At the first one, I tried an owl. I have two papers. One just fit this before because in the pack of the one I've got there's two papers in the pack. That's why I made my one. It's so cute. The eyes are rainbow, and I think it's looking at you guys. But now we are gonna make one. So we're gonna start here. So for the small one, we're gonna fold it like this. Just like this, guys. Then for the big one, we're gonna fold it like the feet of the owl. We're gonna fold it the feet of the owl, because the owl needs feet. So we already have the feet of the owl. Oops, I think this is too much. We're gonna fold these two right over for the wings. Owls can fly. That's why they'll need wings. I think this is too big. Maybe it's just like this. Okay. So we're gonna fold it like this for the owl to have wings. The same thing at the other side. We're gonna do for this like this. And then, so remember the stickers I told you before? That'll be useful. Instead, as I said, I made a previous one. So I'm gonna copy it. These stickers are so cute. Are these eyes? Are these eyes? Are these eyes? Oh, where are eyes? So you can use anything you want for the owl, or you can do the right thing or copy the ones. Is all the stickers we have. We're gonna start with the rainbow eyes. Our owl will have rainbow eyes. So we're gonna put the rainbow eyes here. Right. Then another rainbow eyes. I'm gonna get it out. Carefully to do. Oh, it's so cute. Next, we're gonna put the string. Or if you want, you can put here because I already used all. Not all, but some. So I'm not having that much now. You can just make your own. But for me, I'm just gonna copy my little owl a little bit because I'm gonna add the signs a little bit too. Or maybe I could copy it without these buttons at the wings because I don't want to put them. And just like what I said, I ran out of time to do some of my stickers. So next thing sleep at morning. That's why I'm gonna, because, everybody needs rest. So I have it, and while I got it, I already stick the other feather. Maybe I should do a little magic. 3, 2, 1. We have all the stickers sticked. I kind of made my own designs because, as what I said, I kind of ran out of stickers. That's why I used some of my not used stickers. Now look at how their floss has been. It's so amazing. It's time to get her nap, little owl.